Hello friends, this is a 2-mark question on DMGT and topic graph theory. The question reads as follows. Suppose a graph G contains n vertex where n is greater than 3 and the degree of vertex Vi is 3 and degree of vertex Vj is 2 and there is an edge E1 between vertex Vi and Vj, then what is the degree of vertex E1 in line graph of G? The line graph of an undirected graph G is another graph that represents the adjacency between edges of the original graph. For example, consider the following graph. This graph has 4 vertices and 5 edges. Now, the line graph for this graph is as follows. That is, each vertex in line graph of the graph represents the edge in the original graph, and the two vertices in the line graph are adjacent if and only if the edges corresponding to them in the original graph share a vertex. For example, E1 and E2 are adjacent in line graph of G because they share an endpoint, that is vertex V1, in the original graph. Similarly for other vertices. Now, in the question we are said that the degree of vertex Vi is 3 and degree of vertex Vj is 2. Consider that vertex Vi is V1 in this graph, which also has a degree of 3, and vertex Vj is vertex V2, which has a degree of 2. And there is an edge E1 between vertex V1 and V2. Since the degree of vertex V1 is 3, it will be shared by 3 edges, that is edges E1, E2 and E3 in the graph G. So, in the line graph, the edge E1 will be adjacent to E2 and E3, that is degree of vertex V1 minus 1. Similarly, vertex V2 has a degree of 2. So, it is shared by edge E1 and E4. Thus, the edge E1 will be adjacent to E4 in the line graph of G. Thus, because of vertex V2, vertex E1 in the line graph of G is adjacent to degree of V2 minus 1 other vertices. So, the general formula for degree of vertex E1 in the line graph of G, which are connected by two vertices Vi and Vj in the original graph of G, is given by degree of vertex E1 is equal to degree of vertex Vi plus degree of vertex Vj minus 2, which equals to 3 plus 2 minus 2, that is 3. So the correct answer to this question would be 3. Thank you.